Hi everyone, this is the solution to the second review problem. So in this case, we're given some data about halogen bulbs and LED bulbs. So we know, for example, that a 14 watt halogen bulb gives off the same amount of light as a 1.5 watt LED bulb. Okay, so the company has taken this data and now they're wondering, okay, I want an LED bulb that gives me the same amount of light as an 85 watt halogen bulb. So what watt LED bulb do I need? Okay, so since for whatever reason I can't write on my picture, I've put my graph again down here. And I'm going to use the Mayer-Line method. So the Mayer-Line method is basically you're splitting up your data into two chunks. You're finding the average x value, the average y value, and taking that as two different points. Then you can find the line through those 2 points, and then from there use that line to make predictions about your data. Okay, so first of all, we're going to split this data in half. So there's 9 data points, so it's hard. We can't split it perfectly in half, so we can just do the best we can. Typically, if there's 2 points kind of in the middle that are very close together, we tend to group those together. But in this case, the halfway point is between 40, 52, and 63, and those are about the same distance apart. So we're just going to choose randomly a group of 5 and a group of 4. So why don't we make the first group a group of 5, and the second a group of 4. Okay, so now we need to find the average x and the average y value. So x is going to be our halogen bulb, just because it's on the left, doesn't actually matter. So our average x value, so if you add up those 5 values and divide by 5, you get that the average x value is 35. If you do the same with the y value, add them up, divide by 5, you get that the average is 3.9. Let's do the same with the second half. So the average x value is going to be, add those up, divide by 4 this time, is 89.25. The average y value, so you take those 4 numbers, add them up, divide by 4, you get 13. Okay, so we get 2 points from that. We get that P1 is going to be 32, 3.9. And P2 is 89.25 and 13. So we want to find the line that goes through these 2 points. Okay, so 2 points need the equation of the line. Well, we can maybe first find the slope. So the slope, so that's m, or a, I guess. Where did my thing go here? There we go. So that's going to be your a value. That's your change in y over your change in x. Oops. So that's y2 take away y1 over x2 take away x1. So we can do 13 x2 take away 3.9. Sorry, that's y2 take away y1. And x2 is 9.25 take away 32. If we put that into our calculator, we get that our slope is about 0.159. So then we can use that. We know that, oops, y equals ax plus b. A is the slope that we just found, so it's 0.159 x plus b. We can use one of our points to plug into that. Let's use, I don't know, I guess the first point, 32, 3.9. We get that 3.9 is equal to 0.159 times 32 plus b. We plug that into our calculator, so do that multiplication, do 3.9, subtract that number, and we get that b is minus 1.188. So the equation of our line is y equals 0.159x minus 1.188. All right, so we're almost there. We have the equation of our line. So the question says, when we have an 85 watt halogen bulb, when x is equal to 85, what is y going to be equal to? So we can just plug in that into our equation. Y equals 0.159 times 85 minus 1.188. Plug that in your calculator, and you get that y is equal to 12.325. So to answer the question, which on a ministry exam you should always answer the question in a full sentence. So to answer the question, what wattage of LED will give you the same light as an 85 watt halogen bulb? Well, you would need, maybe round it a little bit, 12.3 watt LED bulb.